Hey everybody, it's Amy. I'm going through our Dream Convention Kit 2018 and I'm going through my children's favorite product, and actually I need one of my own, the doTERRA Kids collection. I am so excited about this collection because it has 6 oils. I'll show you the pretty picture there. The 6 oils, there are 2 mind oils and mental benefiting oils, 2 body oils, and 2 emotional and emotions, mood oils. So let me go through them. There's a cool little pouch here. It is super kid friendly. My son brought it to our open house at his school yesterday. He actually clipped this to his, it's very cute, he's 7. He clipped it to his belt loop and he took it around the school. So just in case I have to have my oils, right? Well, we only have 4 here if you notice. My daughter and my son, who are 5 and 7, took them to school today. But you have a little pouch in here where you can put your little rubber stoppers in there, your carabiners, and you have the little loops in here where you can put all 6 of the oils so that they stay sturdy in there and they don't fly around. And it's a cute little pouch, very kid friendly, and it feels amazing. Okay, let's talk about the oils. The 2 oils, oh, and here's the flashcards, and it'll make it really easy for me. So my kids will sit there and read this and they know how to put it on. So I'll show you. Okay, cool. So it has a note for caregivers and how to use. Super cool. Tells you about the 3 categories of the oils. And then it goes into the 2 mind oils. Thinker is the one that my son has at school. It's our focus blend. He is a very high energy child because he's very smart and he needs to calm his mind a lot and to help him focus. So this is the Thinker is the yellow blend, and that's amazing for focus. Okay, do you want to see that? Thinker. The second one is Calmer, and I'll show it to you because I have it here. Calmer is their restful blend. So this is their version of Serenity. And I will tell you, it smells amazing. My kids love it. We'll say, oh, go get your Calmer, and they'll go get it and they'll rub it on their little feet. They'll sit there in their little feet and with their little blankie and their little dolly, and then my son will rub it on his feet too, or on his chest, and then we rub it along our 8-month-old spine, and it just gets everyone kind of calmed down. And then mommy's putting it on too. Okay. So that is Calmer. That's the other mind blend. The 2 body blends are Stronger and Rescuer. Okay, these 2. Stronger is the kids' version of On Guard, and these actually little carabiners work better when you put them on the end, and then it makes it really easy to just utilize them when they're on their backpacks. But I will say, if you're going to use them like this, you want to. A lot of the people that are getting these are super gluing them on so that they don't pull off, because they can pull off. So just side note, it'll make it a little bit easier to use. Stronger is their version of On Guard. It says you can put it on the neck or the bottoms of the feet for an added boost, and then you can use it to sanitize the hands. This is a good one to put on before school and have them have it during school. Rescuer is their version of Deep Blue. That's why it's blue. This is the soothing blend, just like Deep Blue is the soothing blend for adults. This one is Copaiba, lavender, spearmint, and xanthoxylum fruit oil. So amazing benefits. There's only 4 oils in each of these, and this is amazing for growing pains, boo-boos, bumps on the head. My 8-month-old's learning to crawl. We've been using it on his bumps on his head a lot. The next one that my son has at school, or maybe my daughter actually, is Steady. Steady is the grounding blend. This is their version of Balance. It is for those times when they feel nervous or anxious, and they can rub it on their neck or their wrist to calm their emotions. So that is Steady. And I am not telling you what's in it, so let me tell you. Fractionated coconut oil, amyris, balsam fir, coriander, and magnolia. Sounds amazing. Okay, Brave, the Courage Blend. Courage Blend, here it is. This is for those kids that need that boost of courage before new or different situations are arising. And it also is good for calming whenever they're nervous or there's new situations. Sometimes they can get a tummy ache, right? Even adults can. So this is also good for tummy aches. They can roll it on their tummy is what it says, or their feet to ensure and boost the courage and confidence. And it has wild orange in it. That's why it's the orange color. It also has amyris, osmanthus, and cinnamon. And this one is my 3-year-old's favorite because the wild orange is so yummy smelling. The other one, I think did we go through them all? Yeah, that's it. So there's 6 oils. They're so amazing. My kids were so excited when we brought it home. I mean, they were giddy and they've been taking it everywhere. So I'm so excited for your kids to try it and for it to empower you to be able to take care of your kids quickly and on the go. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.